In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use images with ChatGPT in a super simple way, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to generate eye-catching visuals for YouTube, Instagram, presentations, or design projects, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're inside, look for the image generation option. This is the feature that lets you create images directly from a text prompt, so you don't need any design experience to get started. After you find the image tool, click it to begin creating your visual. Now it's time to type your prompt. For example, you can enter something like, generate an image of a sunset beach, realistic style. The more clear and specific your prompt is, the better the results usually turn out. If you want a particular mood, color, object, or style, include that in your request so ChatGPT knows exactly what you want. Once you submit the prompt, wait a moment while the image is generated. ChatGPT will create the image based on your instructions, and you can review the result right away. If the first version is close but not quite perfect, that's completely normal. The next step is to customize the image. You can ask ChatGPT to make it more realistic, brighter, more colorful, more detailed, or even adjust the composition. For example, you might say, make it more realistic, add warmer lighting, or turn it into a cinematic style. This is one of the best parts of using ChatGPT for images because you can refine the result without starting over every time. Just keep prompting until the image matches your vision. Once you're happy with the final image, download it to your device. From there, you can use it for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, blog graphics, presentations, or any creative project you have in mind. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to make custom visuals without needing advanced editing software. And that's it. Now you know how to use images with ChatGPT from start to finish. Try different prompts, experiment with styles, and create visuals that fit your brand or content. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.